Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford EcoSport rear differential noise issue and outlines likely reasons why unusual sounds may come from the rear drivetrain area during driving. In the Ford EcoSport, the rear differential is responsible for distributing power to the rear wheels in versions equipped with all-wheel drive. When noise develops, it may be heard as humming, whining, grinding, or clunking sounds that change with vehicle speed or load. Rear drivetrain design and usage can vary by model year and drivetrain configuration, so this issue may not apply to every EcoSport. Based on verified technical information for rear differential systems, abnormal noise may be associated with worn internal gears, bearing wear, or improper gear contact over time. Degraded or low differential fluid can also contribute to increased friction and noise, especially if fluid service intervals are exceeded. In some cases, contamination of the fluid due to moisture or debris may accelerate internal wear. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. In certain situations, improper differential setup following repairs, axle-related issues, or drivetrain component misalignment could be a potential contributing factor. Driving conditions such as frequent heavy loads, rough terrain use, or prolonged high-speed operation may also influence wear rates in the rear differential assembly. Possible solutions depend on the confirmed cause and are not guaranteed for every vehicle. General guidance may include inspecting differential fluid condition and level, replacing fluid if required, checking for bearing or gear damage, or performing component repair or replacement when internal wear is confirmed. In conclusion, rear differential noise in the Ford EcoSport can result from lubrication issues, internal wear, or drivetrain-related factors, and the exact cause can vary based on vehicle age, usage patterns, and maintenance history. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.